Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to simplify one very interesting algebraic expression with cube roots. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E first. Now we are going to use substitutions. Let us say first cube root equal to A, and let us say second cube root equal to B. So we are looking for value A plus B. Now we will write our substitution. Cube root of 2 plus 10 root 3 over 9. This is equal to A. Once we will take cubing both sides, we will get the value of A cube. Let me write here. A cube equal to 2 plus 10 square root 3 over 9. Similarly, with our second substitution, cube root of 2 minus 10 root 3 over 9 equal to B, we will get B cube value. Once we will take cubing both sides, value will be 2 minus 10 square root 3 over 9. Now we are going to add these two equations. So in LHS we can write A cube plus B cube. In RHS we can cancel these two terms. 2 plus 2 is 4. So our first equation is A cube plus B cube equal to 4. And we are going to calculate A plus B value or E value. Now we will be multiplying A cube with B cube. Let me write here A cube times B cube. This will be equal to 2 plus 10 root 3 over 9 times 2 minus 10 root 3 over 9. Now if I will consider 2 as P and 10 root 3 over 9 as Q, then this is P plus Q, and here we have P minus Q, which we know this is P square minus Q square. So we can write A cube times B cube. We can use exponent law. We can write AB whole cube. This will be using difference of two squares identity. We can write 2 square minus 10 square root 3 over 9 whole square. So we can write here 2 square is 4 minus 10 square is 100, root 3 square is 3, 9 square is 81, which we can write equal to 4 times 81 over 81 minus 100 times 3 over 81. So 4 times 81 is 324 over 81 minus 300 over 81. 324 minus 300 over 81. Value will be equal to 24 over 81. Both numbers are divisible by 3. We will write 8 over 27. In LHS we have AB whole cube. In RHS we can write 8 over 27 as 2 over 3 whole cube. I can write here AB whole cube equal to 2 over 3 whole cube. For AB belongs to real numbers, we will take cube root both sides. So cube root and cube will be over. We can get AB equal to 2 over 3. Let's say this is our equation number 2. So our target is expression E, which is equal to A plus B. We have one known equation, equation 1, A cube plus B cube equal to 4. And here we have second equation, AB equal to 2 over 3. Now we can use one algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube. This will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Now a plus b is expression e, so we will write e cube equal to a cube plus b cube. This is 4 as per equation 1 plus 3 times ab as per equation 2. We will write here 2 over 3 in place of ab, and a plus b is expression e. Now 3 and 3 will be over. We will get e cube equal to 4 plus 2e, or I can write one cubic equation, e cube minus 2e minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve for real values of e. Let me write here e cube minus 2 times e minus 4 equal to 0. Now we are going to split minus 4 here. Minus 8 plus 4. Let me write e cube minus 2e minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now we will write e cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Then we have minus 2e. Then we have plus 4 equal to 0. Now here I can use a cube minus b cube identity. So I will write here e minus 2 in one bracket. In other bracket e square plus 2e plus 2 square, which is 4. Then from these two terms I can take minus 2 common out. So in the bracket we can write e minus 2 equal to 0. Now e minus 2 is overall common. We will get e square plus 2e plus 4 minus 2 in other bracket equal to 0. Or we will write e minus 2 times e square plus 2e plus 2 equal to 0. Now using product 0 rule, we will write either e minus 2 equal to 0 or e square plus 2e plus 2 equal to 0. So from our first equation e minus 2 equal to 0, we are going to get expression value equal to 2, which is our real number. Now for this quadratic equation, I need to check only the discriminant value d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. So I will write here b square as 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 2. Value will be equal to 4 minus 8. So discriminant is coming out negative 4. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic for our real value. So our final answer becomes expression value equal to 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.